Update here on the Scarlet Viper. I almost got it all sanded. I got a little hairline seam on the top, a little bit on the bottom. But it's an easy fix, and all I'm doing is basically shooting a coat of primer on, letting it dry. Got the canopy all masked up with Tamiya tape. And most people paint cockpits first. I always paint them last because you really can't see the whole lot, so just easier that way for me. Got the guns on. There's a little tip that goes on the very top of the gun. I whacked that off. I like them laser cannons. Plus this is a Scarlet, so this class is different. Probably had this painted in about a week. The figure ain't too bad for a male pilot, but if you all know me, I have to have a female pilot. That's all there is to it. So I'll probably go to storage, get an MMI one female pilot, and stick her in it. You can see the pilot, the back of the pilot, there's nothing. But when he sits in there, you can't see it, which is cool. But I gotta have a female pilot. I just think it's more fitting for a female pilot to fight a Scarlet. And as I promised last time, here it is lit up. All I did was add a green LED for the view screen, and I'll diffuse the light more with a piece of clear styrene, and I'll use sandpaper and sand the back of it and tack it on with 5-minute epoxy, and then put the decal on, and that'll diffuse the light more. I half-assed masked off the lights, or the engines in the back, and I'm going to leave the clear parts clear, and I'll just paint around it. That'll make it makes the LEDs pop. And all I got is just a little bit of touch-ups to do. That's why I'll paint it in about a week. And I'll probably add some little, and I got a little light leak, and probably add some random kit parts. Give it a little style, and pay homage to ILM, Apogee. But it's coming together. And I'm itching to paint it, which I'm probably going to go with Vallejo Model Air Light Gray. This is pretty much a exact color of the light gray white that they use. And if it's a little dark, I'll just put a drop of white in and go over it. Which I'll probably just use this base coat, put a little drop of white in, do the panels, highlights. And then weather it to death. The Scarlet is just a mean looking vehicle. And while I do that, I gotta finish the Mark 7, which I'm rescribing the panel lines in that I sanded all off. That's it on my Viper.